We provide the world market with combat systems as well as subsystems in the area of command and weapon control. Our focus is aimed towards ensuring all systems used by our customers work together through system of systems integration. Our customers have to observe any given situation, orient themselves, decide on action, and act in seconds to neutralize incoming threats and stop aggressors.
Our customers operate in what they call the OODA loop: observe, orient, decide, act. It needs to be quick and respond to all the challenges of the hostile environment. In much the same fashion, we need our own OODA loop to counter all the challenges and obstacles in our delivery process. Developing combat systems and C4I solutions, or command and control systems as they are also known, is quite challenging. We need to understand our customers' operations, but we also need to understand that we ourselves and our systems and development pipelines constitute a part of the customer's warfighting capability. We open through our supply chain of software an attack surface that we need to continuously and quickly manage.
This project has been financed by Vinnova, our Swedish research authorities here in Sweden, and we've been able to create this Swedish consortium between KTH, Saab and Ericsson. Because from my perspective at KTH and with my team of researchers and students, we've been working heavily on visualization, and that's how we connected between also KTH and Saab and your team here on this IoD project.
Yeah, and it was a great opening, and we saw that this kind of visualization would give our teams first most the feedback they need to be able to see how well their software is doing. In general terms, a team should also get their feedback within 5 minutes when we talk about continuous integration.
The gap also between the development and the people dimension you were referring to before.
Yeah.
So thanks to visualization tool, we can also have our team members or managers more engaged and close to the product. And yeah, it turns out that visualization interfaces can be also great to disseminate about your work internally across your business units within Saab.
We need to be able to get a good flow even though we have regulations. And it also is our responsibility for the customers to be able to do this, because otherwise they will end up with software that might have security flaws. And if we can't correct them in good time, then that will be actually a security issue.
Development efficiency is a very important subject to us as an organization, but it's also quite difficult. In the same fashion as our customers operate their OODA loop, we need to be able to quickly observe and orient in the team's performance and continuously decide how to act with changes and modifications. The DevOps paradigm constitutes the framework for such adaptive, responsive behavior in a development organization.
For me, it's been a great pleasure to work in the context of this project, because I think it's like one of the best examples of concrete cooperation between KTH and Saab. We really need, as researchers, we really need a direct access to very concrete business cases. And that's what happened in the context of the IoD project with Saab.